Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today we're re-diving deep into a topic that gets a lot of buzz in the trading community. Forex Fury. Is it really the ultimate trading robot a lot of people claim it is? Let's break it down and see what's under the hood. So, what exactly is Forex Fury? In simple terms, it's an expert advisor, or EAA, a piece of software designed to automate your trading on the Mount 4 and MT5 platforms. The developers claim it delivers a high win rate, which is a bold statement in the volatile world of Forex. The core idea is to take the emotion and guesswork out of trading, letting the algorithm do the heavy lifting. The primary strategy Forex Fury uses is a time-restricted scalping system. It's designed to work during specific, low-volatility hours, typically in the late US and Asian sessions. The robot opens trades for a very short period, aiming to scalp a few pips of profit from small market movements when things are relatively calm. This is a popular strategy because it tries to minimize exposure to big, unpredictable market swings. It's compatible with various currency pairs, but it's often recommended for major pairs like EUR, USD, where spreads are tighter. Now, let's talk about performance. The official website showcases some impressive results, often with MIFX book accounts showing steady gains. These are meant to build confidence and show the robot's potential profitability. But here's the crucial part. Past performance is never a guarantee of future results. The Forex market is incredibly dynamic, and what worked yesterday might not work tomorrow. It's also important to remember that results can vary wildly depending on your broker, your settings, and market conditions. So, is Forex Fury the best Forex robot out there? That's a really tough question. The best robot is subjective and depends entirely on your personal trading goals, risk tolerance, and strategy. Forex Fury offers a specific low-volatility scalping strategy. If that aligns with your approach, it could be a valuable tool. However, it's not a magic get-rich-quick button. Successful automated trading still requires you to understand the market, manage your risk properly, and choose the right settings for the robot. You need to do your own due diligence, start with a demo account to get comfortable, and never risk more than you can afford to lose. In conclusion, Forex Fury is a well-known EA with a clear, defined trading strategy. It has its strengths, particularly for traders interested in automated scalping during quiet market hours. But like any trading tool, it requires knowledge and careful management. What are your thoughts? Have you used Forex Fury or another EA? Drop your experiences in the comments below. I'd love to hear from you. Thanks for watching, and if you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more content. See you in the next video.